Your best interest is to go out and find deals. Hey guys, Sean Bloomquist with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If you're checking this out on YouTube, hit subscribe and hit that notification button so you get up-to-date video as we put them out. And definitely leave us some comments below so we can interact with you. Today we're going to touch on a subject that I think is very important. It's one of the most valuable things in my eyes is your time. So we want to talk about time management as a rehab investor. Now we all know and have seen the shows on HGTV and DIY Network and all that where you see they're in there hands-on, swinging hammers, breaking down walls, things like that. But the real truth of it is you're not going to make as much money as you could by being the guy swinging the hammer or the girl swinging the hammer. Your best interest is to go out and find deals. Be the one finding the deal, not the one spending every waking moment swinging a hammer. Because if you're working a 9-to-5 job or you're a full-time investor who's out trying to find deals, all of your spare time is going to be spent at that project trying to get it done. And we all know the name of the game in this is speed and quality. Is your quality up to the standard of the contractors? And are you fast enough to get it done in the time frame that the contractors would get it done? Better to spend money on the contractor that's going to get it done right and fast versus trying to save a couple bucks doing it yourself, because in the long run, you're probably going to spend more money just because of the time frame and holding onto the property longer. If you like this information, please check us out at www.pinefinancialgroup.com. We'd love to answer any questions you have. Certainly comment below, and we'll see you later. Thank you.